Hey, what's up, guys? How y'all doing today? So we're gonna watch Real Plane Disasters and Midair Collision number 2, Besiege by NIOVERSE. You guys, NIOVERSE will be linked down below. They put a lot of time into these videos. So this is, I will say NIOVERSE thinks I have the best reading in the world, when in reality, I suck at reading. All right, so oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, it's so sad. All those people that must have watched that happen. 583 fatalities. Oh my gosh. Where was this out of? Oh my gosh. Tenerife Airport disaster. Oh my gosh, bro, that is... Okay, so for those of you that don't know, these are based off of real airplane crashes that happen in real life, bro. Can somebody comment down below when this happened? Oh my gosh, dude. That is so sad. Man. Alright, so we got another one here. Looks like we got elevation here. Another... This happened more than once, bro? Can one of you comment down below and tell me how many times... Oh my gosh, dude. Can somebody look up how many times I guess a civilian aircraft has been shot down? But that's just crazy. That's just crazy. How did... That just doesn't make any sense how that would happen with all the technology we have today. So everybody's gonna die on both planes. Oh, wow. 154 fatalities, man, that's crazy. But yeah, how many private planes have been shot down by missiles, bro? That's just crazy. All right, so we got a nighttime landing. Looks like some crosswinds, maybe. Oh my gosh, he's pitching up so much. Why? It's just gonna fall straight out the sky. You can't recover from that, though. What happened there? That doesn't make any sense. He, like, was coming in for a landing, had a little bit of crosswind, and then, like, went up and stalled the plane. Silk Air 185. These videos are actually very interesting to watch, NIOVERSE. If you're watching this, this is premium content, my friend. Oh, no way. The plane just went upside down. Oh my gosh, dude. You just imagine, like, how scared you would be in that moment. 0 survivors. That makes sense. Can you do Span Air? So is this Spanish Air? It seems like it's almost always on takeoff or landing, bro. That was a sketchy takeoff. Oh, we're losing power upon takeoff. Hopefully this pilot can hone it in. Landing gear's gone. That's not a good sign. Oh my goodness. 154 fatalities, 18 survivors. Oh. Aeroflight, something. Oh, that's a big... Looks like American Airlines, but you guys aren't... You're gonna say that I'm wrong. What is the pilot doing? The pilot seems drunk or something. You would think they have plenty of time to correct this, but like, these planes need to be going hundreds of miles an hour before they can... Yeah, see, it's still falling. What is going on? What happened in this flight? Can somebody tell me what the cause of this was? A drunk pilot, maybe? Or maybe he oofed himself? I don't know. Oh my gosh, 75. Not real. Okay, this one we can, like, have fun with, huh? It's a not real accident.
Bank angle. Banking.
Oh my gosh. That was just intentional, bro. That one wasn't even on accident. He did that on purpose. Dang. Yeah, both them planes are gone. Wow. Fly Dubai 981. Obviously in Dubai. Oh, my man said we're not landing on the runway. We're landing in the grass. What the heck? And he's trying to. It's gonna stall. I don't get why these pilots, like, why they keep stalling. What's going on? What? I don't get it, bro. Can somebody explain 62 fatalities? Like, why are they stalling like that? Why are they coming in and doing that? American Airlines Flight 77. Oh my gosh, when was this? Oh, I think this was a, I think that was self-inflicted, if I'm not mistaken. 64. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Flight 77 was a terrorist attack. That's crazy, man. This one's not real? Oh, dang. I feel like the big plane kind of would survive a little bit better, but it looks like the little plane held up more. Alright, this one's also not real. We got a big boy. Jeez. And it's like not even almost recoverable once that happens. Especially to like one of these planes here. Man. You guys would have been, it was crazy. When I was on a C-17 overseas, bro, the maneuvers that C-17 could pull off were unimaginable. We came in for a combat landing, it just went, dude, it was like diving straight down. It was insane, bro. And then when we took off, it was like straight up, it was insane. Not real, this is a huge plane. I rode on one of these as well. Oh, that's gonna be bad. Holy crap. Dang. Alright. These ones are messed up, bro. Landing in a village is wild. Terrain. Bro. We're gonna watch one more. So this is, can you do Lufthansa flight 540? It resulted in deaths of 59 people speaking. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this one crashed shortly after takeoff due to pilot error. It seems like a lot of these, it seems like the planes want to fly, right? But the pilots are usually the cause of concern, man. Landing gear is up, we're taking off. Probably gonna bank weird or something. Bro, there ain't no way. How does that happen? Like, how do you have a pilot's license, especially for a big plane? Because when you get a pilot license, you gotta work your way up to bigger planes, I believe. So it's like 59 fatalities, 98 survivors. Cockpit fire caused by oxygen. What? Caused by oxygen leak combustion ignited by pilots. Oh my gosh! The pilot's cigarette Bro. They were smoking cigarettes on the plane. Oh my gosh. I guess that's why they say when you're on a plane, no cigarettes in the bathroom. In-flight breakup due to, gosh, man, I can't read that fast. In-flight breakup. Oh my gosh, what? A terrorist attack? They blew themselves up mid-air? Cowards, dude. Straight up disgrace. Oh my gosh. How can you just take somebody else's life like that, bro? That's insane. $259 fatalities. This one was the pilot didn't want to be here anymore, man. Let's see how they went out, dude. If I had to guess, probably just gonna nosedive into the ground. Oh my gosh. Jeez, dude. And there were people on board. Mechanical failure of aircraft tail section caused by poor maintenance. All right, well, we've seen poor maintenance before. Oh, dude, it like pitched the plane up really bad. They might be able to recover from this if they go full thrust. The problem is when you level out with a plane like that, the wings and everything aren't built for that amount of G-force to come up and swoop up. It's not a fighter jet.
500, 400,
no.
300,
not with 300 feet left.
100, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Jeez, dude. Poor maintenance caused that. And they will find out. They go and they've got the computer and they will see exactly what happened. Took off wrong way on the, oh my gosh, they took off the wrong way on the runway due to pilot error. Was air traffic control not there? Air traffic control just wasn't controlling that day or what? Like, how does this happen? Not even almost enough lift. Oh my gosh, not even... It wasn't even almost ready for takeoff. And it went belly up, and it's on fire. I'd be surprised, maybe there's a couple survivors. Oh my gosh, one survivor. In-flight breakup following uncommanded thrust reverse deployment caused by possible design flaws and electrical failure. So they're just flying and then it just does reverse thrust to like stop the plane. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. That's crazy, dude. Oh. Crash following fuel exhaustion. I think we might have seen this one before. Fuel exhaustion just means it ran out of fuel, I believe, right? That's just different terminology. And it's so foggy, they can't even see. I know this is common with like private planes, private jets, private helicopters, stuff like that. They don't have the same rules as like a commercial flight when it comes to certain things, and like they can hit mountains and stuff just because of, I don't know. I've just read about it online. In-flight structural failure due to metal fatigue. Yikes. You got to worry about that with the planes that are on seaside. Because like if it's not properly maintained and there's salt water all over it and stuff like that, it's dangerous. I mean, it's even bad for cars to be next to the ocean, bro. The frames start rusting and stuff like that. Loss of control after fire. dude. That's wild. Guess it in the comments. All right, so we've got rain. Maybe a lightning strike. Nope. All right, I'm crosswinds. Or one time I landed a plane, like the plane was sideways when we landed. It was insane. Oh, it's gonna go belly up. It's gonna pitch up real hard. Nope. Oh, overshoot the runway. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Hopefully nobody died on that one. Oh, I didn't even say. Crashed shortly after takeoff due to pilot error, fatigue, and poor crew resource management. Basically overworking your people. Dude was just tired. Probably been flying all day long. Ugh. $90 fatalities, 0 survivors. Emergency landing after dual engine flame out due to water ingestion and several. Okay, and severe thunderstorm. Okay, so emergency landing. So hopefully we can pull this off here. I wonder if NIOVERSE has done the Sully landing yet. Dang. Oh my goodness. Wow, that was actually a really good landing. I feel like a lot of people survived that. Let's go! Bro, can we just end it right there? Let's go. That's a great way to end the video, man. Everybody survived. Listen, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to check out NIOVERSE. I enjoy their videos so much. They're fun to watch and to analyze everything. So thank you guys. I love y'all, and I will see you awesome, amazing, beautiful people in the next video. Bye.